YouTube. I have not been on YouTube in so long. I'm so sorry. So today I thought it'd be fun to kick off the new year of 2021 with a good old fashion trends video, because that is what my channel started on, was fashion. Today's video will be all about the forecasted fashion trends of 2021, but winter edition. You know, some people might feel a little stressed because feel like they have to always keep up with the new trends. Luckily for you, fashion repeats itself, which is great for everyone, because if fashion repeats itself, then that means there's already clothes out in the world that look like this, and all you have to do is just find them, thrift them, and you'll be good to go. You'll be up to date. In order to keep up with the trends, that doesn't mean you have to buy brand new clothes all the time. So I want to show you how you could be sustainable and eco-friendly while still being trendy. And I am very happy to announce that I partnered up with the babes of thredUP to bring you this video, which, by the way, stay tuned for a special promo. I am always just so excited to partner up with thredUP because I just have this unhealthy obsession over thrifting, and they are the largest online thrift store out there. You can thrift online and find some of your favorite brands like Nike, Zara, Urban Outfitters, and one of my favorites that I found recently is Jaded London, and you can find them for up to 90% off the estimated retail price. There are over 40,000 brands on there, with new arrivals dropping literally every single day. All the items I will be wearing in today's outfits are going to be majority thrifted, many of which I found on thredUP, minus like a few new items just because I have to incorporate them in there to complete the outfit. But I want to show you that it is possible to create full outfits using secondhand clothing. And to share my love of thrifting, thredUP is giving my viewers a special cute little promo code, which is Nava, for 30% off your first order. Like I mentioned earlier, these trends are mainly focused around winter season, so they are modest and they're perfect for cold weather areas. All right, time to jump into these outfits. Okay, let me just say that the day I filmed this video, Los Angeles decided it wanted to be the coldest day of the week, so it literally felt like Antarctica in my loft. The first trend of 2021 that we're gonna start off with is oversized statement blazers. This type of statement piece never really went out of style in my opinion, or maybe that's just me because I haven't stopped wearing them since 2012. But anyways, the loose fitting suit style is back. Also, please ignore my low quality sheer tights for this video. I know they're just like not cute. I couldn't find my good ones. I found this blue plaid blazer on thredUP for $20. The estimated retail price is $35, and it's from the brand Worthington. Alright, I know I said modest, but the only white turtleneck I have is cropped, so please, if you want modest, just replace it with a full length one. I don't have that much royal blue in my wardrobe, and I really like the boxy fit of this, which gave me mad 80s vibes. Like I literally could be part of the movie Heathers. Which, by the way, I feel like fashion this year is taking a lot of inspiration from the past, so 60s, 70s, 80s. Like there's not much futuristic elements this season, at least from what I noticed in the forecast trend report. As I mentioned earlier, one of my favorite brands is on thredUP, and that is Jaded London. I found this pretty cool two-tone blazer for only $15. The estimated retail price is $89, so I was super happy when I saw this price difference. Even though this outfit is a bit much, would I wear it to a job interview? Possibly. I probably could see myself doing that because I too am a bit much. Next, we're going to move on to the trend of loose and wide leg pants. I actually mentioned this in my most recent 2020s trend video that I did last year, but it's something that we're going to continue to see throughout this year as well. I think loose wide fit pants are the preferred style right now because if you think about it, we were in quarantine all of 2020, so we're just used to being in sweatpants and comfy pants. So, you know, I just think now we're just keeping that aspect with the loose and comfiness, but just making it a little bit more appropriate to wear in public. It's like a combination of comfort and style. And this is me not realizing I don't ever take off the stickers from the bottom of my shoes. Oh, I hate when pants do not have pockets. I really thought I looked cute too. Like I was really feeling myself at this moment. Please enjoy this quick DPR live dance break. Crazy print like the one on my jacket will also be a popular trend this year, but I will touch more on that in a bit. This next one isn't really a winter trend, but it is part of the 2021 trend, and the next outfit included it. So I figured I might as well just touch on it, and that is the cutout trend. You'll see this a lot in the upcoming warmer seasons, and I absolutely love it because you know I just live for showing off my skin and being basically half naked 24/7. I found this really cute vintage Versace top on thredUP, and I thought the cut was very interesting. You all know that Versace is like one of my favorite designers. The top was $48 and the estimated retail price is $248, which is funny because compared to the pants that I also found on thredUP, they're only $6.50. Estimated retail price is $69, and the brand is from The Limited. Oh, what is up with these pants in my haul that don't have pockets? Seriously. I really like these white pants because they're loose and low rise, which I don't have very much in my closet. And I'm also adding this gray blazer I thrifted to incorporate that whole oversized suit blazer trend. Remember, trends don't have a specific expiration date. It's not like they have to stay in 2020 and by the start of 2021 it's canceled and you have to start all new trends. Trends come and go. People are still wearing trends from like 2015, and that's totally okay. A lot of trends you'll see this year already started in 2020, and you'll just continue to notice them being carried over into the new year. This is another outfit that incorporates the wide leg trend and also the statement blazer trend. Obviously, my outfit was inspired by my Hello Kitty bag, which this time I'm not the one doing the dance break, it's my Hello Kitty that is. Alright, these pants are like super oversized and really wide. I was kind of drowning in them, to be honest. These pants are from ASOS, which I also found on thredUP. They were $26. Estimated retail price is $60. Brings me to my next trend of 2021, and that is checkerboard. A fun fact is that checkerboard is actually a more modernized version of houndstooth. It's also going to be a trend to mix your prints and patterns, so I really wanted to try it in this outfit. But if I'm being completely honest, when I tried it on, I was definitely on the fence of either liking it or completely hating it. As I'm editing this video, you know, it doesn't look too bad, so definitely let me know in the comments what you think. Like, do we like it, or does it look completely hideous and I should just never wear this outfit ever again? I actually thrifted this top years ago and never had the chance to wear it because at the time checkerboard was a bit outdated, but you know what? I am thriving now, baby. I am so excited to wear this, except in this very moment when I realized I forgot to put my sheer tights on. I just love this outfit. I feel very 80s in it with the shoulder pads and the leather skirt and the pumps, which you know the 80s already started making its comeback in 2020, so you'll be definitely seeing it a lot in 2021. I've been throwing everything, but you know, you just can't throw Prada, especially pink Prada, so you know, I'm just gonna trot on over and place this kindly on my table. I teased this a little earlier in the video, but another trend you will be seeing is the crazy print trend. Now, I know plaid isn't extremely crazy and has been around in all decades, but you gotta admit that this plaid is a bit wild with the colors, right? Or maybe it's just me. I just wear like one tone plaid. Like it's either red or it's either green or gray. This type of styled outfit is also very new to me with the whole maxi dress, with the turtleneck and the boots and the coat. Like I never wear clothes styled like this, but you know what? I kind of like it. I think it's a very interesting way to style a maxi dress, especially for the wintertime. Just a heads up, my rosebuds, these next few outfits are not quite modest and clearly not for winter, so I would consider these outfits for a Los Angeles winter. And I also clearly never take off the stickers from the bottom of my shoes, I guess. Like, how embarrassing. I'm so sorry, everyone. This jacket has to be my absolute favorite find of this whole ThredUp haul because I absolutely love these overall chain print vintage jackets. So I was already geeking out when I found it on my search. But what makes it 1,000 times better is that it's from another favorite brand of mine called Opening Ceremony. Opening Ceremony is definitely on the higher end of streetwear, so I was shocked when I found it on ThredUp for only $45. $45, people! That is so affordable, especially when the estimated retail price is $525. Like, you know that feeling when you're either thrifting online or you're thrifting in store and you find this really cool, amazing piece, so you just quietly add it into your cart, not to make a big deal out of it, but then once you finally purchase it, you're just like uncontrollably screaming. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but that's exactly what happened when I found this jacket. Sheer material is definitely more of a spring and summer trend of 2021, but I thought it would be fun to include since the color scheme is all black. Totally not an outfit that will keep you warm, but you know, she's still cute. I found these grommet pants on ThredUp and I instantly fell in love. Like the little edgy punk kid in me was screaming at the top of her lungs. The pants are from a brand called Mage or Maje or possibly Mahe, but the crazy thing is that these pants are only $9. That's not even a drink at a bar, which I miss so much, but you know, we're in the middle of a pandemic, so we can't go to a bar. Anyways, besides the point, the estimated retail price is $60. And of course, me being extra wanted to use all the grommet trimmed clothes I had in my entire closet and put it together in one outfit. I also low-key look like a Dementor from Harry Potter, but you know, that's okay because I would be the stylish one out of the group that sucks the soul of all those that ever insulted my fashion sense. I have never worn so many grommets in my life, but I kind of like it. If you hate it, I'm sorry, but I actually really like it. And the last trend I'm going to touch on today is the sorbet color palette. Now, many of you might be thinking, Nava, this trend is completely in the wrong season. Like, this needs to be in spring. Yes, you are correct. But also, who said you only have to wear a dark, morbid, earth tone color palette for winter? I saw so many 2021 trend reports showing photos of fashionistas layering these sorbet colored pieces, and I became obsessed. I don't know, I just get happy when I see all these colors mixed into one outfit. I found this cropped jacket on ThredUp, and it's from the brand Kache? Man, I'm so sorry. I do not know how to pronounce these brand names, but my mom used to wear this brand back in the 2000s, so it's kind of nostalgic for me. The jacket was $47.50 and the estimated retail price is $89. I don't know why, but I was dancing a lot in this styling video, probably because I needed to somehow create some body heat so I don't catch hypothermia. This turtleneck hole is the size of a straw opening, let me tell you. So I had to send a quick prayer to the fashion gods in hopes that I still have some nice hair and makeup for the last outfit. I, for some reason, felt like a little eggplant emoji at this very moment of filming, so please enjoy this dancing eggplant on your screen. Thought pairing this outfit with my Nike shadows was a perfect addition, so I threw those on as well. Some people, especially the monochrome fashion lovers out there, will probably hate this outfit that I'm wearing because none of the colors match. But to me, In my eyes, it does, and I like it. This pink shearling coat I got from thredUP, and again is from my favorite brand, Opening Ceremony, and is only $48. The estimated retail price is $695. This is a very light and soft winter outfit, not like your usual browns and earth tones, and you know what? That makes me happy, as fashion should. So that is obviously the end of my video. I could literally go on and on about fashion trends and all the great stuff about fashion and what's gonna be up and coming for spring, because I just love spring season too. But you know, I didn't want to bore you. Also, I didn't want this video to be like 2 hours long. Maybe we'll come back for spring season. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try any of these trends. And also, if you have this sudden urge to shop sustainable now after watching this video, then amazing. But also, don't forget to use my code Nava for 30% off your first order. My gosh, my first video 2021. I hope that I'm a lot better this year and don't give you 2 videos for the whole year like I did in 2020. I'm so sorry about that, by the way. If you want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the.navarose. I love you all so much. I will see you in my next video, which will most likely be a Korea vlog. I'll see you guys then. Love you.